Hi, welcome back to Carrie's Corner. I'm Carrie, your trusted Redhead real estate advisor. A simple landscaping curb appeal task can boost your home's value. During the COVID-19 pandemic, outdoor space was valuable to homeowners who invested heavily in turning them into outside extensions of their homes. A home's exterior and front yard are a factor in the selling process, and having a beautifully landscaped yard helps with the home's resale value. Homeowners who invest in standard lawn care, which can be as simple as seeding and mowing, generally see a 217% return on investment. Landscaping that can fetch the highest return on investment might only cost a homeowner an afternoon's worth of work. Homeowners who neglect their yard might face peer pressure to keep their properties tidy so not to drag down local home values. Landscape maintenance, such as keeping the shrubs trimmed and the flowers blooming, netted home sellers about 104% return on investment. Other projects that sparked joy in homeowners in landscaping included lighting, which costs around $6,800, patios, which costs around $11,000. The work that brought homeowners the least enjoyment were outdoor kitchens, which cost about $15,000, tree care about $3,000, and irrigation systems about $6,000. About 92% of landscaping professionals saw increased demand for outdoor features. So, thank you for watching. As always, we'll see you next week in Carrie's Corner. And remember what I always say, real estate is like an escalator. There's never a bad time to jump on. So get out there and do your spring maintenance.